Hey everybody, welcome to another Programming Lab podcast. My name is Matt, and I'm going to be guiding you through this exploration and then going over some of the challenges involved. This one's on the compass signpost, so this one's going to be all about geography and maps and stuff like that. So let's get right to it. We're going to use the Geo Distance function here first to calculate the distance between any 2 points. We used here in Paris, for example. Another aspect to getting anywhere is the direction, so you can use geodirection to give you a degree direction from here to Paris. So now that's basically all you really need. Once you have the distance and where you're going, you can start putting things into coordinates like here. So now you have exact points on maps where you are trying to go, and you can start turning into little lines here. As you see, we've got a couple key places like Paris, Beijing. There's a lot of hot spots on a map. And now we're given these little lines. You can see like the general direction they're starting to go into. Maybe we'll start labeling them, which adding little by little, trying to get this to be more and more detailed. But here, a really finished version of this would be start throwing it on top of a map. Get these geographics on top of this geopath function. And the really interesting thing of this is that it's going to give you the actual direction that you're going to be traveling if you were to go from say here to Beijing. You've got this big line that goes over here way up in it seems like the Arctic, and you'd be like, why are you going to go over there? The fastest direct path would be just go straight west or something, but this is the actual flight path that you'd be taking were you traveling on an airplane, that you'd actually go that far up north. And it's just kind of interesting to see all these curves, from here to Paris or here to Cape Town, just all the different paths that you would take, via airfare, and how it differentiates itself, I guess I would say, as opposed to just where you would think. So, hopefully you would think this is a pretty powerful tool for, maybe planning vacations or, just traveling the world. Hopefully you thought it was interesting, and yeah, see you next time, guys.